Showtime played without their MVP, Cat Caker, and then also their quarterback. But regardless, I think they sort of were locked in at the 2.
You got Valiant playing Showtime. What's going to happen there?
And that's again. So here's Showtime. I want to come on and say it. Showtime's, I think, a real contender. With the talent that they have on that squad now, they're a real contender. If they fall short of what they expect to be at, and I'm the way they're talking, and I really do mean this, the way they're talking is they're talking like they're a championship caliber team. This is probably the best roster that they've put together. You still have RBK and Raptors. And then you still have playoff football because, as always, people will bring up, well, there's regular season Showtime and playoff Showtime. But this is the best Showtime team that we've seen in Air Raid, the whole time they've been here. So, with that, given that Valiant needs to find a way to beat those teams, I just don't see it. It's right now they just don't have that edge. It almost feels like if it's a close game, Valiant's going to find a way to lose it, and the other team's going to find a way to win it.
Unfortunately, I agree.
I think it's going to be a high-scoring game, though.
Oh, yeah, it will.
We're all picking Showtime.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Showtime.